Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is my morning routine. So sorry for the voiceover, but when I was filming this I didn't have a voice and it's not that much better now, so I'm really sorry for that. But my morning starts off with popping on my dressing gown and then opening my blinds, looking at the world outside, which I will not enter for the day because I literally just stay in my room, popping some pills from my little pill organizer. Honestly, I love her. She is such a good invention. Yeah, investment is what I meant to say. And then I'm also popping some strepsils because my voice was absolutely gone. Downing loads of water, getting your water queen, it's beautiful in the morning. Making myself a cup of tea because I honestly need the caffeine. And then I'm getting out my overnight Biscoff oats. These are the best thing I've ever made, and I'm going to be posting a TikTok on my TikTok of the tutorial of how I make this. I actually can't speak today, what is wrong with me? So head over there if you'd like to see that. Then I headed over to the fridge to get the milk out and realised that my flatmate had watered it down because we had hardly any milk left. So the disappointment in my face, as you can tell, it was not ideal. But I made myself a tea anyway, and the colour is disgusting, as you can see here, it is vile. But then I take the absolutely horrendous long walk back to my room, pop my tea down and sit and enjoy my breakfast. And honestly, this is the time in the morning which I absolutely love, sitting with my tea, with my breakfast, and honestly, look at these Biscoff oats. Wait for it. Look at that Biscoff. Honestly, it's incredible. And basically in a minute you will see me staring out of the window and literally having an existential crisis, contemplating my life, contemplating whether I want to continue with the day or whether I want to get into bed. And genuinely, this is what I do every morning. I literally sit and enjoy my breakfast, and I try and be as mindful as I can, stick to this task, stay off your phone. Honestly, it really helps. I really enjoy it. Then let's be real, I do go on my phone and I reply to Snapchats that I've received. I was replying to my sister here, and don't you hate it when you try and hold your Snapchat video and it doesn't work? Every single time this happens to me. And basically I'm just sitting on my phone, scrolling through TikTok and drinking my cup of tea. Then I always realise that a lot of time has passed that I didn't want to, so I decide to go and have a shower, and I'm just doing this now. And then I basically pop my hair up into a massive pineapple on the top of my head, ready to cleanse my face. Literally look at me. Oh, stunning. And then I put on some deodorant and perfume. Got to be smelling nice even if we aren't leaving the house. And then I cleanse my face, and I'm using the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Cleanser. It's honestly the best. I love it. And this is a really, I enjoy this part of my morning. I really love to do my skincare. It's just like a really mindful task for me, and it makes me feel awake, and yeah, I just love it. For moisturiser, I'm using my absolute favourite, which is the water gel from Neutrogena. I love this so much. It just makes your face feel so refreshed and awake. Genuinely, this is my favourite part of the morning. So I'm just rubbing this in. Look at me go. Loving life, honestly, it's great. I'm then trying to do something with my absolutely awful hair this morning. I should have washed it, but I didn't because I can't be bothered. So I look at my face of disappointment, honestly. So I do my absolutely favourite hairstyle ever, and I just put it in half up, half down. It's so original of me. I literally do this every single day, but it works. No judgment here, okay? Once I'm vaguely happy with how that's turned out, I then came and showed you my braid. Isn't she stunning? I love her. Honestly, so easy. There's a tutorial on my TikTok again if you'd like to go over there. And then painting my face, taking my makeup, doing this while still enjoying my cup of tea. Honestly, I do wear makeup every single day to university, genuinely because I love doing my makeup in the morning. Honestly, that is the reason why I do it. It makes me feel better and I love putting makeup on. If you would like to see my everyday makeup tutorial, it is already on my YouTube, so I will link it in the description and I'll put it in the little iCard. But this is what I look like for the day. And then genuinely it's time to get out my laptop and do work for the day. Today I was staying at home, so I literally did didn't move from my desk all day. This is where I stayed, but if I was going into uni, this is the time where I would pack up my bag and head off to uni. And that is the end of my morning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like an evening routine, please let me know in the comments down below, but I literally stayed here for the day. Thank you for watching. Bye.